Hey you guys, it's me Genevieve, and today I will be showing you guys my butter slime. And I made this butter slime a few minutes ago, and it turned out amazing. So I really like it. And it's purple. Really nice purple. Let me see if I can show you guys. Super nice purple. And it smells like butter too. Now I put real butter in it. It turned out really nice actually. So that's why I use real butter. Very, very stretchy. Very, very nice. And it's great for spreading it out with a knife. See if I can go get like a knife or a fork or something. I will be right back. Okay, so I didn't find the knife, but I found a little straw, and we are going to blow a bubble. Okay, so let's do this. So it says I think you're supposed to put the straw like that. Make like a little hole. That was cool, guys. Let's do it again. That's cool. Try this at home if you have any slime. All you have to do is go Caribou Coffee, Starbucks, or any place, get a tiny coffee straw mixer, and then it's a perfect thing to use to blow slime bubbles. Ooh, triple bubbles. How much I love my bubbles. No, don't even think of putting this back in your mouth when you're done doing this. That is wrong, people. No, that one failed. Amazing.